used the chainsaw with the sophistication and virtuosity of a skilled craftsman. The Husqvarna 572 XP easily conquers the hardest wood, bringing a feeling of absolute control and precision. Low-vibe anti-vibration system protects hands, allowing continuous work without fatigue. This video proves that with the right skills and the perfect tools, anything can become a masterpiece. Aha! He probably wants to transform into a professional motorcyclist. If you find the video interesting, please like and subscribe to the channel to follow the next videos. In the vast forests of Sweden can't do it. The Hypro 755 HP harvester, equipped with the cutting-edge Hypro FG4 clamp, easily handles trees up to 45 centimeters thick, even with complex root systems. The machine operates with surgical precision, promoting the growth of a healthy forest ecosystem. The X15 Excavator Log Saw 13T case is a reliable companion in the logging industry. With a special design, this chainsaw attaches to a 13-ton excavator, providing outstanding stability and power to handle large and tough tree trunks. Thanks to the powerful hydraulic system, the X15 can easily cut through large logs in just a short time, improving work efficiency in the forest. The job of cutting wood is not easy, but lumberjacks always work with enthusiasm and perseverance. Honoring their efforts is admirable. CNC Equipment Bobcat T190 skid steer attachment processor is considered a powerful super machine for splitting wood, with a weight of 1,200 kilograms and high hydraulic capacity, easily cutting large logs. Compact and flexible design helps the machine operate effectively in all terrains, from small gardens to large forests. Compared with traditional methods, the machine saves time and effort, while delivering superior performance. With advanced two-flywheel technology, the TFG 55 PTO wood chipper turns tough tree branches into harmless in just a blink of an eye, providing outstanding working efficiency. Smart, user-friendly design, making the maintenance process simple and fast. Capable of handling tree branches up to 5 inches in diameter and at an attractive price of $2,500 to $3,000, the TFG 55 PTO is definitely the number one choice for small-scale wood chipping jobs, from home gardens to small farms. Is definitely the number one choice for small-scale wood chipping jobs, from home gardens to small farms. The Senebogen 830 mobile trailer makes a strong impression in wood logistics in Germany. With its flexible mobile design, the machine handles and transports huge logs with ease, thanks to its impressive lifting and rotating capabilities. The ability to move smoothly helps the machine overcome all terrain, which is beneficial in logging. Each heavy log, when unloaded, caused loss of balance and capsized the barge. A slight wave or a sudden impact is enough to change the whole process. Each CK shingle main made cedar tile is the product of a meticulous manufacturing process, from the selection of high-quality cedar to the use of state-of-the-art machinery at the mill. Here, the wood is trimmed, planed, and treated to ensure outstanding durability, resulting in perfect tiles with smooth surfaces under the sun. With an investment from $200 per square meter to $250 per square meter, you not only have a beautiful roof but also own a sustainable asset over time. Let Maine-Made enhance the beauty of your home. Transporting these forest products is a risky art, requiring profound skill and understanding, making every operation a testament to virtuosity. Picture a giant, powerful machine ripping through tough wooden tree trunks in the blink of an eye. That is Sazoya Forest Ale, a real monster in the forestry industry. Designed and manufactured from high-quality materials, Sazoya Forest Ale operates durably in all harsh weather conditions, ensuring stable working performance and long life. Sazoya Forest Ale is the indispensable choice for those looking for high performance and perfect results in forest exploitation. One topic I had never talked about. What do you think, because this device can also drill acacia tree stumps?
An on-load tap changer ensures stable voltage by regulating transformer output in real time while the system stays energized and in operation. It automatically switches between tap positions without interrupting the power supply, ensuring that the output voltage remains stable and protecting the downstream application from risks of overvoltage or undervoltage. For decades, OLTCs were built for one clear purpose: to serve power transformers managing large-scale voltage fluctuations in traditional power grids. An OLTC could easily fit in large transformer tanks and worked efficiently and effectively to manage grid-wide voltage swings. But today, the energy landscape is transforming, from fossil fuels to renewables, from centralized to decentralized. This shift creates unpredictable voltage fluctuations, not just in large power transformers, but in smaller power transformers too. These smaller transformers now need OLTCs. The traditional OLTCs were too large. Smaller transformers had to scale up just to accommodate. This meant larger tanks, more oil, more material, more effort at every stage, from production to maintenance. For 100 years, on-load tap changers worked as designed, with legendary performance. But as the grid evolved, it was time for OLTCs to evolve too. Hitachi Energy, with over a century of transformer and OLTC expertise, reimagined its trusted VUBB OLTC, introducing the VUBB Compact, based on the trusted VUBB on-load tap changers for a new generation of transformers. With 4 new compact size options, transformers can finally be designed for their real ratings, not the size of the OLTC. At its core is a new flexible shaft system, enabling more transformer design options without compromising the OLTC performance, leading to reduced engineering efforts and time for transformer designing. VUBB Compact isn't just an innovation in size, it's a commitment to advancing a sustainable energy future. Backed by the same performance DNA as the original VUBB, proven over the years and geographies, VUBB Compact is the latest addition to Hitachi Energy's state-of-the-art T-Sync family of tap changers. VUBB Compact, designed to fit, engineered to perform. It's a T-Sync tap changer, the synergy in energy.
With a cutting force of 50 tons, Petzolato 50 TON is like a steel monster, crushing all obstacles, turning giant logs into fragile boards. Equipped with a flexible hydraulic system, the machine can adjust and optimize with sawing performance, meeting the needs of working in harsh environments. With its durable structure and high productivity, the Petzolato 50TON is well suited for woodworking businesses, delivering outstanding efficiency and low operating costs. The OMEF Big Inch is a breakthrough in forestry technology, perfectly combining simplicity, efficiency, and versatility in a single device. Meticulously designed to work on all types of wood, Big Inch not only clamps and tightens but also securely holds the tree. The i200 cutting pliers, despite their compact size, possess incredible power with a 20-ton force cylinder. Thanks to that, it easily cuts through wood trunks up to 20 centimeters in diameter, turning mini excavators from 2.5 to 8 tons into multi-purpose warriors in forestry work. A chain racing combination of Remington PL7 and Remington Super 880R. Two outstanding chainsaw models of the Remington brand, with distinct characteristics. The PL7 has a 7 horsepower engine, is lightweight and easy to control, suitable for jobs requiring high mobility. With the ability to cut quickly and effectively, this saw is very popular in logging and tree felling jobs. John Deere 548, a fierce warrior of the jungle, possesses immense power with a 115 horsepower engine. Every touch of the 548 is a precise cut, thanks to its advanced hydraulic system and smooth 8-speed forward and 4 reverse transmission system. With a maximum speed of 25.3 kilometers per hour, the 548 is not only a working tool but also a symbol of speed and efficiency in the forestry industry. Imagine a cool fall day, the smell of wood smoke wafting in the air, and you easily split wood with just one mighty split from the force of 1320 tons.
Trợ giá đến 6,6 triệu đồng. Vụ trừ gian hàng giảm đến 20%. Săn tiêu hời hợt chỉ có tại Lazada 6 tháng 6 luôn rẻ hơn.
With 26.5 T of power, the splitter devours all types of wood, while its smooth hydraulic system and fast cycling make work a joy. The towering pile of wood gradually appears, providing the satisfaction of knowing you have the perfect machine for your biggest tasks. A Labor Day where you both work and enjoy. With the Bobcat E50 in hand, cutting down trees is no longer a problem. This machine is so powerful and precise that no tree can stand against its power. Whether the trees are tall or difficult to handle, with just a few strong blows from the machine, they quickly fall to the ground. Especially when using a sturdy bucket and flexible control mechanism, every step becomes perfect. In the middle of the snowy forest, the worker climbed a horse chestnut tree, a sturdy rope wrapped around his body, making precise cuts. The sound of chainsaws echoed and trees fell. Large trucks came to transport wood to the factory, completing the work in the cold winter landscape. In order to solve the problem of tree stumps, prepare the land for afforestation. To provide energy for humanity. It is impossible not to mention the Savannah 1720 stump excavator, as it takes advantage of its sharp cutting blades and powerful hydraulic system. Ready to remove tree stumps cleanly at ND. Accurately, helping to save time and speed up the progress of afforestation and construction leveling. Hito 51 Eco Supreme with 5-row feeding chain system stands out in the wood processing industry. Equipped with a technologically advanced motor, this device easily handles large wooden panels in large forests, especially in rough terrain. In large logging areas, Keto 51 ensures stable productivity and smooth operation, giving operators a comfortable experience when working for long periods of time. The HWP 120 on the CAT 307C excavator combines power and versatility, handling wood and hard materials smoothly. The CAT 307C excavator provides powerful traction, while the flexible cutting system ensures precise and fast work, delivering outstanding results on every project. These colossal machines are not just tools, they are symbols of surpassing human limits. Join me in exploring the power and cutting-edge technology that are shaping the future today. Starting with the Komatsu D375A8, equipped with a 530 horsepower engine designed to pull large blades and complete earthwork tasks swiftly. Its superior power ensures optimal performance and high durability, making it ideal for large-scale projects. The railway construction work at Albisrank was carried out using machinery equipped with 400 horsepower engines, optimizing performance and ensuring timely progress. Thanks to advanced technology, the project was completed as scheduled, enhancing the region's transportation infrastructure. Oh my God! It's surprising that the bitumen boils due to the remaining water in the storage tank. At this point, the 350 horsepower engine of the pumping system must operate continuously to regulate the temperature and ensure a safe transportation process. Precise temperature control is key to preventing dangerous incidents. Next, the MTZ-82's Ver with its outstanding 80 horsepower engine easily conquers any tough terrain. The machine is not only powerful but also durable, fuel efficient, and reduces maintenance costs, making it the ideal choice for heavy-duty tasks. In the heavy industry, the Erie Steam Shovel 1 with its 200 horsepower engine is a crucial machine, providing exceptional power for mining and construction projects. It helps increase efficiency, reduce construction time, and ushers in a new era for the industry. Leave a comment one right now to follow these modern machines and never miss an exciting moment. With a powerful 500 horsepower engine and a weight of up to 33,069 pounds, this machine is easily demolishing solid concrete structures. The robust engine combined with a sturdy design enables the machine to complete demolition tasks quickly and efficiently, making a noticeable difference. Far beyond human limits, giant machines rise up like tireless warriors, redefining power in the deep forest. This is not a place where nature is invincible, but a stage where technology and human will join forces, turning challenges into opportunities. Steel arms roared, saw blades whistle through the wood grain, opening a new design, where mechanical power met the magic of nature. Click subscribe to the channel and explore together. Is the logging truck strong enough to cross the challenging Mamarana Bridge? Although mechanical, moving across a narrow bridge with lots of wood on the vehicle still makes you question its stability. Winter logging has never been easier with the combination of the Kesla 12 MDH trailer and 305T excavator. No more worrying about frozen fingers or slipping, this duo helps you conquer snow-covered forests like a boss. With its strength and ability to overcome harsh conditions, wood harvesting becomes fast, safe and full of confidence. You'll return to the cabin feeling like a champion, turning winter logging into an exciting adventure. The roar of the chainsaw tore through the silence. The saw blade was as sharp as a poisonous snake, biting deeply into the giant tree trunk. Each cut was a fierce scream, heavy pieces of wood falling to the ground. The entire forest seemed to shake under tremendous force. The chainsaw is like a steel monster, crushing all obstacles, turning ancient trees into invisible logs. We are witnessing the impressive process of cutting 60 feet of dug pine into 12 by 24-inch logs. These large logs are fed into the sawmill with absolute precision, creating strong and durable boards. Cut from Doug fir, a wood of excellent durability and quality, each 12 by 24 board is ideal for construction, adding value and durability to any project. Petzolato PTH 1200/820 woodworking machine possesses a capacity of up to 268 HP, capable of effectively cutting and grinding logs from 13 to 39 feet long into sawdust. The sharp blade system helps reduce operator time and effort, processing up to 2,121 cubic feet of wood per hour. With prices ranging from $110,000 to $130,000 US, this machine is a worthwhile investment for you. Are you having trouble clearing the forest? Discover the Dennis Samath Wood Crusher for low tonnage excavators and comment number 1 to share your experience. Compared to conventional paper crushers, Dopstad DW3060 South Australia Green Waste has higher efficiency, better durability, and is more environmentally friendly. Harsh terrain cannot stop the steel spirit of this steel warrior. This is the story of a person who was new to the forestry industry, but quickly mastered the skills of working on dangerous slopes, after 2 years of study. With a powerful chainsaw and a specialized truck, he easily handles heavy tree trunks, even when working on 30-degree slopes. The feeling of pride when seeing a job completed smoothly, no matter how harsh the conditions, is truly something that cannot be expressed in words. The sight of cutting down a 40-meter large ash tree really makes me feel regretful. The saw roared, the saw blade cut into the giant tree trunk. Each cut seemed to be tearing apart a part of nature. The ash tree has stood strong through many windy seasons, but now it must collapse before the power of technology. But the sudden silence when the tree fell still makes the air heavy, a little sad with each saw stroke. The Quadco high-speed, high-capacity saw heads 27B and 28B are not just ordinary saws, they are true monsters in the logging industry. With extremely fast cutting speeds and the ability to handle huge volumes of wood, they can saw through large tree trunks in just a few seconds. Designed to perform in all harsh conditions, these saw heads increase productivity without sacrificing accuracy. MVR Timber Cutting 2016 is an impressive project where a professional team performs efficient and safe wood cutting. They use modern machinery to harvest large trees in dense forests, optimizing productivity without harming the environment. The roar of engines and the sound of falling wood create a vibrant and dynamic atmosphere. When you attach the disc mulcher to the cat skid steer, you will have a true beast. With a powerful cutting blade, it easily rips through tree trunks, branches and bushes in just a snap. Systems from Advanced Forest Equipment deliver outstanding power and high precision, helping you handle forest clearing jobs quickly and efficiently. The price of this disc mulcher ranges from $15,000 to $25,000 US, suitable for your needs. I have come to the conclusion that standing on a ladder while cutting down trees is definitely not safe.
I think that worked.
Danish forestry workers are truly lucky to have this pair of modern machines at hand. Thanks to Raptor 500 Mulcher, they can easily manage their forests, create open forests, contributing to environmental protection and economic development. Danish forestry workers are truly lucky to have this pair of modern machines at hand. Thanks to Raptor 500 Mulcher, they can easily manage their forests, create open forests, contributing to environmental protection and economic development. The Tatra Phoenix 6x6 with Umakov telescopic crane is transporting timber over harsh snow-covered terrain without the assistance of an external crane. At this moment, this vehicle is operating in a forest somewhere, saving time and effort when moving wood from the harvest place to the required location. The Case CX180B excavator is working at full capacity in removing tree stumps. With its powerful motor and outstanding features, it easily tackles stubborn stumps, digs, and pulls wood debris out of the ground. This machine is the ideal choice to clean up the land, ready for the next project. This is the action of a Volvo FMX 6x6 with 540 horsepower, equipped with tracked wheels for increased traction, rushing through a snow-covered forest. The engine roars fiercely, the crawler grinds sand, creating a typical winter symphony. Despite the harsh weather conditions, the truck performs stably, proving its incredible strength and durability. Against the backdrop of a white winter, the image of a Volvo FMX 6x6 in action becomes impressive and full of life. With an impressive height of 35 meters, the poplar tree towers over the forest like a green giant. To defeat this monster, workers use professional techniques and modern equipment. The roar of the chainsaw engine rang out. The sharp saw blade cut through hardwood, creating deep abrasion marks. After careful calculation, the poplar tree slowly fell, creating a sound that echoed throughout the forest. Surely you won't be able to believe your eyes when you see BK Woodworking in action. This machine is the perfect combination of technology and power, cutting down large trees into pieces suitable for their intended use in just a few minutes.
Put it through a 28-to-1 mechanical advantage.
Fix the winch cable on the tree trunk and use it to control the exact direction of the falling tree. This approach helps reduce the risk of property damage and protects the safety of you and those around you when dealing with tree stumps.
Basically, the stump just continues to tip over. I cut the stump off to my town dump.
Cone splitters are important equipment in woodworking, specializing in breaking large blocks of wood into smaller parts. With powerful rotating conical blades and speeds of up to 1,500 RPM, the machine is capable of processing 5 to 10 cubic meters of wood per hour. Discover the Rungenaufbau system with 2 mobile forest poles and 2 fixed X-stay poles that make it easy to transport logs from 2 to 4 meters. The tandem trailer is equipped with 2 sturdy forest pillars, supporting the carrying of logs from 3 to 5 meters long. Flexible design allows users to easily adjust, optimize storage space and ensure safety during transportation. The Stihl MS880 and Husky 3120 XP are both outstanding professional gasoline saws, but each has its own advantages. The Stihl MS880 is durable with a capacity of 6.4 horsepower, while the Husky 3120 XP has a lighter design, making it easier for users to control. To solve the problem of tree stumps after harvesting forests, I bring you an interesting machine called Costa ER200 Stump Harvester. Sharp cutting blades rotate, easily handling stubborn stumps left in the ground. Thanks to its outstanding performance, the machine helps clean up quickly, opening up space for new plants. John Deere 643L was born to cut pine trees. With flexible mechanical arms, it is easy to cut down large trees. After being cut, the wood will be put on the conveyor belt and transported to the designated location. Here, 643L will use specialized parts to arrange wood into neat piles, preparing for the next transportation process. The image of logs neatly stacked into large piles prepares the mind to go through the processing step of the machine to grind them into small chips suitable for the purpose of use. Digging pine stumps is not only a difficult job but also a test of the machine's durability. To work efficiently and preserve the life of your machine, start with a dedicated bucket or an integrated backhoe. Take your time, just apply enough pressure to dig out the stump without putting too much pressure on the hydraulic system. Each gentle lift reduces the load on the engine and chassis. Removing an oak tree between two homes is a stressful task where mistakes cannot be allowed to happen. This is when modern machinery speaks up. Cranes equipped with saws precisely prune each large branch, ensuring it does not hit the roof or walls. The engine roared, each piece of wood fell into place. Technology and skills blend together, completing tasks in narrow spaces with absolute safety. That's insane. Fools behind the wheel. The driver recorded the tense moment when the truck almost dropped heavy cargo, threatening to crush him, but luckily no incident occurred. In 2012, a Belize dump truck caught fire at the Costomocha quarry. Firefighters quickly extinguished the flames, preventing a disaster. Oh. It seems like the driver may have overdone it. The excavator overturned in the swamp, and the rescue team quickly arrived, using specialized equipment to rescue the excavator, ensuring safety and bringing it back to its operational position. The truck driver lost control on the highway, causing the vehicle to overturn. The chaotic scene makes one wonder if he was experiencing health issues or lost focus before the accident occurred. The Kenworth T404 SAR got stuck in the mud. Despite attempts to pull it with a bulldozer, the chain broke, causing the truck to slide backward. The team was caught off guard, but fortunately, the truck wasn't damaged, as if some miracle protected it. Extra caution is required when moving heavy equipment on water in Greenland. The sinking of a Manitou due to improper transport highlights the importance of professional handling. It sounds like this tire is old and needs to be replaced with a new one.
Er dürfte jetzt eine gute Temperatur haben, der Motor.
Oh. The SL90032 quickly assembles the beams for high-speed railway bridges, like putting together a giant Lego set. After months of preparation, the construction is completed in the blink of an eye thanks to human ingenuity. Please subscribe to our channel to see more exciting situations. Transporting heavy equipment requires skill, precision, and modern technology. Oversized trucks navigate challenging terrains, showcasing professionalism. Due to its oversized load, the Mercedes slipped while transporting through the muddy road. However, with its powerful system like a beast, the Mercedes took only a few minutes to break free from the mud.
กาแฟทั้งนี้ทั้งนั้น
Wow! The massive Schnabel car transports a reactor vessel from the San Onofre nuclear power plant, navigating tough terrain with its special design to ensure the safety of the ultra-heavy load. Heavy-duty machinery transported 600 tons and 135 tons from Turkmenbashi to Yolatan, covering a distance of 1,250 kilometers, demonstrating exceptional capability in handling massive cargo. Have you ever wondered how wood is harvested? Cutting-edge technology optimizes efficiency, enhances durability and precision, completely transforming the forestry industry. Yes. What an impressive performance, right, everyone? Transporting timber through narrow curves requires high skill and precision. With specialized vehicles and an experienced team, the process is carried out safely and efficiently, ensuring no incidents occur. Oh wow! The tow truck carefully crosses the Aguia River, where even a small mistake could lead to disaster. Megatrans achieves a remarkable feat by launching 8 330-ton barges into the T River using SPMT, ensuring everything runs perfectly. The Bandit Model 3680 Beast Recycler stands out with its cutting ability instead of grinding, transforming waste into useful products. It is widely used in processing asphalt, shingles, wood, pallets, and housing demolition. Amazing! With creativity and intelligence, humans have invented wood-splitting tools, making the job faster and reducing labor time. Step into the ultimate arena of forestry, where the most powerful, cutting-edge, and lightning-fast machines clash in a thrilling battle for supremacy in the logging world. Join us as we dive into this high-octane showdown and witness the intensity unfold. Wow! Look what's happening on this muddy road. The giant excavator, weighing up to 20 tons, is working non-stop to lift large logs onto the logging truck. With precise and powerful movements, it is like a giant lifting logs, making everyone admire. Danger is near. He was sawing a coconut tree right next to the house and electric pole.
There's a 36-inch bar.
Be careful! A green giant about to fall.
Got a 42-inch bar.
With the power of the Varna 390. The engine roars, dust flies, prepare to suffocate at the moment that majestic tree collapses.
Yeah. He was quite all the way.
这是2020年加州山火市的森林砍伐。
To be honest, I'm still confused as to why the tree stump caught fire.
底部的树洞还留。
And why did this guy decide to cut it down while it was still on fire? Can someone please explain this to me? Please leave a comment below to help me.
倒下后，伐木工们会接着扑灭燃烧。
Oh my gosh, Charles's homemade wood chipper I just saw is amazing. I didn't expect he could create such a masterpiece from seemingly scrap materials. The lumberjacks are hard at work cutting down trees. They can harvest 160 cubic meters of wood within 2 days. This is a job that requires specialized machinery and experienced technicians, helping to ensure efficiency and safety during tree sawing, wood preparation and transportation. The machinery they use includes Stihl MS-170 harvesters and chainsaws. Hidden behind the sophisticated beauty of CNC products is a magical world of technology. CNC machines, like a witch, turn blocks of raw materials into works of art with absolute precision. Each line and pattern is meticulously depicted, creating a unique and impressive product. Unlike manual methods, CNC machines bring uniformity and high quality. 2D CNC bed is a testament to the ability to create perfect products at a fast speed, minimizing costs and improving labor productivity. Come to Vermeer BC 2100XL wood crushing champion. With optimal design and intelligent control system, it crushes wood faster and more efficiently than any other machinery. Two sharp blades, combined smoothly with the chopping system, create an incredible working performance, turning piles of wood chips into piles of sawdust in just a short time. Cutting down coconut trees that seemed difficult is now easier and faster than ever with the 382 chainsaw. This machine is designed to be strong and suitable for handling innocent coconut trees with straight and sturdy trunks. Thanks to its high-capacity engine and sharp saw blade, the 382 chainsaw helps you complete the job in a short time, saving labor while still ensuring maximum efficiency. Olmaf, when combined with the Caterpillar 312B Super Excavator, becomes a multi-purpose super weapon in wood processing and area cleaning. With the 4-head cone drill, Olmaf easily handles the most stubborn large logs, turning them into small pieces. The stump planer helps smash the work area, remove tree stumps quickly. Prepare land for new projects. Multi-purpose screw drilling machine effectively supports tasks from digging holes to driving piles, meeting all construction site needs. This perfect combination brings outstanding working efficiency, saving time and effort. Buchard Thierry's de Bardage 6155M tractor is equipped with a 155 horsepower engine, specialized for pulling wood on difficult terrain. With THE ability to transport large volumes of wood, the machine can process tree trunks up to 60 centimeters in diameter. The 6155M's powerful traction system and durable design help optimize the process of harvesting and transporting wood in forestry. My first time seeing a unique McCulloch 797G, originally an 890 gear saw, upgraded with a powerful 797 motor. With a displacement of 123 cubic centimeters, a 2-to-1 gear ratio and a .404-inch square chain pull, it easily handled tough wood sawing tasks, becoming a symbol of mechanical strength and innovation. Spaltfix Cavario, Pasha's masterpiece of wood processing technology, bringing a revolution in the forestry industry. With the ability to process logs up to 65 centimeters in diameter and flexible edge lengths from 5 to 15 centimeters, the machine perfectly meets all processing requirements. The machine processes logs with a maximum diameter of 65 centimeters, customizable edge lengths from 5 to 15 centimeters, meeting all processing needs. Weighing about 2.5 tons with maximum capacity, the machine is suitable for both large and small wood factories. Households, meeting all processing needs. With its sharp 60-inch saw bar and powerful 8-foot .404 square chisel chain, the saw easily splits ancient Douglas fir tree trunks nearly 60 inches in diameter. Sharp saw blades cut through hardwood like a butter knife, providing outstanding performance, saving time and effort. One morning, Mr. Wands, a farmer in the suburbs, decided to cut down 2 dry trees near the edge of the field. The trees have been standing for many years, but the harsh dry season makes it impossible for them to survive. Dry trees are very dangerous, flammable in the summer, he said. With a gasoline saw, he carefully cut and felled trees, avoiding danger to the rice fields. Imagine an iron monster, with crushing jaws open as wide as a shark's mouth, ready to devour everything. That is Dopstad DW3060. With a 740 horsepower engine, it roars like a lion, crushing all materials into tiny pieces. The 2-axis rotor system spins crazily, creating a tornado that crushes everything in its way. Coming to an industrial wood chipper version that turns rough logs into tiny sawdust in just a blink of an eye. With a sharp blade that rotates quickly, the machine cuts wood into even and beautiful pieces. There are 2 main types of machines, disc shredding and shaft shredding. Each type has its own advantages. The machine is designed to be flexible and can be moved easily to process from small tree branches to large wood trunks. products from wood chipper machines are valuable raw materials for many industries, and also contribute to environmental protection by recycling scrap wood. The TK200 planter is a talented soil worker. With a storage compartment of up to 200 seedling trays, it helps grow thousands of trees quickly. Ruggedly designed, the machine can operate effectively in semi-arid areas and rocky mountainous areas. With excellent mounting ability, suitable for planting northern tree species, helping to speed up the planting process and ensure a high survival rate. The machine is recommended for use with excavators with a tonnage of up to 18 tons, bringing outstanding efficiency in afforestation work. The HYPR 0765HB processor is a powerful and effective tool for cutting branches and peeling eucalyptus bark. With a modern design and advanced technology, the HYPR 0765HB easily handles difficult tasks, helping to prune and peel trees quickly and accurately. The machine's incredible power is not only demonstrated in its ability to work continuously but also in its ability to overcome all challenges in harsh conditions. This is the ideal choice for those who need a powerful and durable tool for woodworking work. Next, we will show you how the Morbark 1300B barrel mill works. A giant machine designed to handle large volumes of wood waste, its C32 Caterpillar engine produces up to 1,500 horsepower driving a giant 31 inches saw blade diameter. Integrated control system combined providing real-time machine diagnostics that optimize performance and minimize downtime with a powerful separation system. The 1300B dust containment technology ensures efficient and environmentally friendly operations. The LKT-81 is more than just a tractor, it was a winter warrior as it crawled through the snow-covered forest, leaving ruts about 30 centimeters deep in the deep snow. Despite the harsh conditions, it persisted in pulling logs up to 6 m long, demonstrating the outstanding power of its 300 horsepower engine. The roar of machinery mixed into the quiet space, making everyone amazed by its ability to move. Today, we will follow the masters of forestry, those who own giant logging machines on their journey to explore and conquer vast forests. Each cut, each echoing engine sound is a testament to the blend of technological power and human bravery. This is not just work, but art, where safety, responsibility, and love of nature always come first. Are you ready? Let's listen to the story from the heart of the forest. This 40 m tall copper beech tree, a resilient beauty, sadly succumbed to the Schiller pink fungus, a ruthless vandal that weakened its structure. Now, the tree becomes a real danger, and a professional team will have to step in to handle this difficult situation safely and effectively. extraordinary. PETA is not just a horse, it is also the soul of the forest. Every time PETA brings back wood, heaven and earth seem to light up. The steady sound of horse hooves echoed throughout the village, signaling the start of a new working day. Is there still such a beautiful and faithful friendship between humans and animals? HD10 Tree Stump Crushing Monster specializes in treating all types of the most stubborn wood. With the ability to crush tree stumps up to 40 to 50 centimeters in diameter, HD10 easily handles dense forests in just a short time. Rugged design and modern hydraulic system help the machine operate stably and durably in all working conditions. What a wise decision before the storm hit. The tractor mechanic is a true artist. With sturdy hammer blows and skillful welding lines, he turned lifeless blocks of iron and steel into a living machine. When the tractor kicked off, he just smiled and said, "It's practicing hip hop dancing." His humorous words made those around him laugh. In a northwestern mountainous forest, a logging team had to use a Sikorsky S-64 Skycrane helicopter to transport precious wood over difficult terrain. Old ironwood trees were marked, cut down, and tied to steel cables from helicopters. On the first day, the wood was lifted into the air and safely lowered into the staging area. The second day, heavy rain and strong winds made it difficult. But thanks to GPS and close coordination, the mission was completed. Completely. Extreme cutting. Husqvarna 572 XP, 70.6 cubic centimeters, 5.8 horsepower chainsaw. Designed for spectacular drops. With a chain speed of up to 20.2 meters per second, the 572 XP dives into the wood with maximum precision and efficiency. Each slice is up to 63 centimeters deep, decisively, paving the way for even the largest tree trunks to submit. This is not just a saw, but a tool of conquest with powerful cutting movements. Deep cuts, cutting to the very end. The Pon Ergo wood cutter is a machine that redefines the logging industry. Equipped with a powerful 268 horsepower Mercedes engine and 8-wheel drive system, Ergo handles all challenges with ease. The hydraulic crane reaches 36 feet, lifting and handling the largest tree trunks with absolute precision. With Pon Ergo, top performance in logging is not just an expectation but a reality. Have you ever faced stubborn tree stumps that refuse to budge? With a forest mower equipped with a tungsten carbide blade, you will say goodbye to those headaches. They will turn into mulch in just a moment. If you were a skilled worker, would you believe what we are witnessing? The logs, after being cut down by machinery, have now been moved out of the mining area. Thanks to the pulley system, combined with the power of heavy machinery, we ensure that the quality of the wood is not compromised. A 60-foot-long Dougfir tree is being machine cut into high-quality boards for construction projects and wood products. The powerful sawing machine cuts each slice of wood evenly, quickly turning large wood trunks into smooth boards. However, workers working in the factory do not wear protective equipment, which is very dangerous. With the machine's huge size and sharp blades, even a small mistake can lead to serious consequences. This is the perfect choice for those who need to process wood quickly. We bring you the famous Tempest EF3 wood splitter with its fast wood processing speed. The engine produces up to 3 tons of power. It easily splits large logs into small pieces in just a few seconds. The neat, easy-to-use design allows the operator to control the wood splitting process well without spending too much effort. Trees fell precariously on slopes after the storm, creating a dangerous situation. We will follow safety protocols so no one gets close. Let's wait and see. Bell Ultra C Feller Buncher, unbeatable warrior of the jungle. With its sturdy design and 250 horsepower engine, this machine is ready to face all the challenges of the deep woods. The powerful drive system helps the machine cut and collect trees up to 50 centimeters in diameter in just a few seconds. Whether the terrain is rough or muddy, the Bell Ultra C Feller Buncher still operates stably and effectively, with the ability to work on large forest areas of up to 10 to 15 hectares per day. The machine's outstanding strength and durability demonstrate its ability to endure harsh forest environments. A perfect blend of modern technology and the talent of a lumberjack. X09 excavator saw the iron hand of the jungle. With the power of an excavator and the precision of a 1.2 meter long saw blade, the X09 easily conquers all challenges in the forest. This equipment is capable of cutting trees up to 60 centimeters in diameter, helping to process 30 to 40 trees per day. With powerful cutting force and flexible operation, the X09 turns primeval forests into empty land in just a short time, optimizing the efficiency of forest exploitation and clearing work. The next taste machine is M-Powerful T130 Poplar Tree Planting Machine. Designed to optimize tree planting work on large areas. With a crawler system and outstanding capacity, the machine easily moves through difficult terrain such as hard and muddy ground. The machine helps increase work efficiency, save time and effort in planting trees, especially ideal for afforestation and land reclamation projects. Clearing rows of ancient oak trees to widen the road is a step forward in the urbanization process. Modern machines will replace green giant trees to create space for traffic routes. The TigerCat 635D is one of the most powerful and reliable skidders in the logging industry. Designed to work in challenging conditions, it features an advanced communications system that optimizes performance and fuel economy. Equipped with a 6.7-liter Cummins engine, the TigerCat 635D provides great power, ensuring outstanding performance, helping to move and collect logs effectively even on intense terrain. With a sturdy chassis design and flexible suspension system, the TigerCat 635D can transition smoothly through water or muddy areas. Advanced hydraulic systems help improve capacity and increase productivity. The spacious, comfortable cabin with wide visibility, equipped with modern support technology, makes it easy for the operator to control and reduce fatigue. In addition, the TigerCat 635D also stands out for its high durability, low maintenance costs and stable performance over a long period of time. Thanks to these features, the machine becomes the first choice of many logging companies around the world.
Straighten the ground.
After the storm, a large tree stood on one side, its roots deep from the ground, ready to fall at any moment. At high speed, a young man wearing protective gear, wearing a safety harness, stood firmly on a sturdy tree branch. In his hand, he held a vibrating chainsaw, its thin and sharp design cutting through the tree trunk precisely. The wind blew strongly, but he was still perfectly balanced. His eyes were focused, every movement was precise and professional. Before cutting, he observed the tree's direction, calculating each cut so that the tree trunk would fall safely, without causing harm to the surrounding area. When the saw blade penetrated deep into the wood grain, sawdust flew into the air. With extensive experience, he controlled it successfully, cutting each section according to plan. In just a moment, the dangerous part was neatly handled. On the ground, teammates looked up with hopeful eyes, because they knew that this was a job only for those with courage, truly admirable. In his spacious area, the man maneuvered the wood sharpening cart with incredible precision. The powerful blades swung out, gripping the remaining logs after the tree was finished. With a gentle but firm turn, he fed each log into the grinder. The sharp blades inside set to work, chopping and crushing the wood into tiny pieces. The roar of the engine, the background sound of wood mixed into the air, creating a scene. When the last logs turned into chips, he moved on to the next step. The rake was started, raking widely through the garden, gathering the layers of leaves that had not been scattered after the storm. In the sun, each tornado rose and gathered into a neat pile. When finished, the garden was clean, productive, ready for a new day. Wiping the sweat from his hand, he looked at his work with satisfaction, knowing that nature had been collected in an orderly and efficient manner. After finishing raking the leaves, he turned off the machine, got out, and checked the garden again. The wood chips were completely crushed, and the leaves were neatly stacked in a corner of the garden. He used a shovel to shovel them into the compost bin, using them to create a natural source of nutrients for the plants in the garden. Find out how the powerful tow truck is performing an impressive rescue mission on the flooded road. In the midst of the mud slide, the truck is stuck, the wheels spinning hopelessly in the thick mud. But not long after, the special tow truck appears, the engine roaring with power. The driver quickly unlocks the lock, adjusting the position precisely. Every move he makes is professional and decisive. The thick rescue cable is firmly hooked to the truck frame, then tightens as the tow truck gradually increases its pulling force. The wheels plow deep into the mud, creating large branches, but thanks to the powerful transmission system, it still grips the ground firmly. Welcome to the ultimate battleground of forestry giants, where the most powerful, fastest, and cutting-edge machines clash in a high-stakes showdown for dominance in the logging industry. Who will rise above the competition and carve their name into history? Join us as we witness this thrilling and unstoppable race unfold. Cutting down coconut trees that seemed difficult is now easier and faster than ever with the 382 chainsaw. This machine is designed to be strong and suitable for handling innocent coconut trees with straight and sturdy trunks. Thanks to its high-capacity engine and sharp saw blade, the 382 chainsaw helps you complete the job in a short time, saving labor while still ensuring maximum efficiency. Wow! Look what's happening on this muddy road. The giant excavator, weighing up to 20 tons, is working non-stop to lift large logs onto the logging truck. With precise and powerful movements, it is like a giant lifting logs, making everyone admire. Be careful! A green giant about to fall. With the power of the Varna 390. The engine roars, dust flies, prepare to suffocate at the moment that majestic tree collapses. Imagine an iron monster, with crushing jaws open as wide as a shark's mouth, ready to devour everything. That is Dopstad DW3060. With a 740 horsepower engine, it roars like a lion, crushing all materials into tiny pieces. The two-axis rotor system spins crazily, creating a tornado that crushes everything in its way. Imagine an iron monster, with crushing jaws open as wide as a shark's mouth, ready to devour everything. That is Dopstad DW3060. With a 740 horsepower engine, it roars like a lion, crushing all materials into tiny pieces. The two-axis rotor system spins crazily, creating a tornado that crushes everything in its way. The lumberjacks are hard at work cutting down trees. They can harvest 160 cubic meters of wood within 2 days. This is a job that requires specialized machinery and experienced technicians, helping to ensure efficiency and safety during tree sawing, wood preparation and transportation. The machinery they use includes Stihl MS-170 harvesters and chainsaws. Next, we will show you how the Morbark 1300V barrel mill works. A giant machine designed to handle large volumes of wood waste, its C32 Caterpillar engine produces up to 1,500 horsepower, driving a giant 31 inches saw blade diameter. Integrated control system combined, providing real-time machine diagnostics that optimize performance and minimize downtime with a powerful separation system. The 1300V dust containment technology ensures efficient and environmentally friendly operations. Oh my gosh, Charles's homemade wood chipper I just saw is amazing. I didn't expect he could create such a masterpiece from seemingly scrap materials. OMAF, when combined with the Caterpillar 312E super excavator, becomes a multi-purpose super weapon in wood processing and area cleaning. With the 4-head cone drill, OMAF easily handles the most stubborn large logs, turning them into small pieces. The stump planer helps smash the work area, remove tree stumps quickly. Prepare land for new projects. Multi-purpose screw drilling machine effectively supports tasks from digging holes to driving piles, meeting all construction site needs. This perfect combination brings outstanding working efficiency, saving time and effort. My first time seeing a unique McCulloch 797G, originally an 890 gear saw, upgraded with a powerful 797 motor. With a displacement of 123 cubic centimeters, a 2-to-1 gear ratio and a .404-inch square chain pull, it easily handled tough wood sawing tasks, becoming a symbol of mechanical strength and innovation. Buchard Thierry's de Bardage 6155M tractor is equipped with a 155 horsepower engine, specialized for pulling wood on difficult terrain. With THE ability to transport large volumes of wood, the machine can process tree trunks up to 60 centimeters in diameter. The 6155M's powerful traction system and durable design help optimize the process of harvesting and transporting wood in forestry. Spaltfix Cavario, Pasha's masterpiece of wood processing technology, bringing a revolution in the forestry industry. With the ability to process logs up to 65 centimeters in diameter and flexible edge lengths from 5 to 15 centimeters, the machine perfectly meets all processing requirements. The machine processes logs with a maximum diameter of 65 centimeters, customizable edge lengths from 5 to 15 centimeters, meeting all processing needs. Weighing about 2.5 tons with maximum capacity, the machine is suitable for both large and small wood factories. Households, meeting all processing needs. Danger is near. He was sawing a coconut tree right next to the house and electric pole.
Yeah. Yeah.
Come to Vermeer BC 2100XL Wood Crushing Champion. With optimal design and intelligent control system, it crushes wood faster and more efficiently than any other machinery. Two sharp blades, combined smoothly with the chopping system, create an incredible working performance, turning piles of wood chips into piles of sawdust in just a short time. With its sharp 60-inch saw bar and powerful 8-foot.404 square chisel chain, the saw easily splits ancient Douglas fir tree trunks nearly 60 inches in diameter. Sharp saw blades cut through hardwood like a butter knife, providing outstanding performance, saving time and effort. One morning, Mr. Wands, a farmer in the suburbs, decided to cut down 2 dry trees near the edge of the field. The trees have been standing for many years, but the harsh dry season makes it impossible for them to survive. Dry trees are very dangerous, flammable in the summer, he said. With a gasoline saw, he carefully cut and felled trees, avoiding danger to the rice fields. Hidden behind the sophisticated beauty of CNC products is a magical world of technology. CNC machines, like a witch, turn blocks of raw materials into works of art with absolute precision. Each line and pattern is meticulously depicted, creating a unique and impressive product. Unlike manual methods, CNC machines bring uniformity and high quality. 2D CNC bed is a testament to the ability to create perfect products at a fast speed, minimizing costs and improving labor productivity. To be honest, I'm still confused as to why the tree stump caught fire. And why did this guy decide to cut it down while it was still on fire? Can someone please explain this to me? Please leave a comment below to help me.
Go fight them. The HYPR0765HB processor is a powerful and effective tool for cutting branches and peeling eucalyptus bark. With a modern design and advanced technology, the HYPR0765HB easily handles difficult tasks, helping to prune and peel trees quickly and accurately. The machine's incredible power is not only demonstrated in its ability to work continuously but also in its ability to overcome all challenges in harsh conditions. This is the ideal choice for those who need a powerful and durable tool for woodworking work. The LKT-81 is more than just a tractor, it was a winter warrior as it crawled through the snow-covered forest, leaving ruts about 30 centimeters deep in the deep snow. Despite the harsh conditions, it persisted in pulling logs up to 6 m long, demonstrating the outstanding power of its 300 horsepower engine. The roar of machinery mixed into the quiet space, making everyone amazed by its ability to move.
Imagine you are standing in front of a giant chainsaw, so powerful that it can easily cut down large trees in just a few minutes. In this video, you will witness the sheer power of these chainsaws as they cut down giant trees with incredible speed and power. The scene was horrifying when the logging truck suddenly flipped over in an out-of-control phase. Equipped with heavy wooden crates, the vehicle could not withstand the pull and tilt, causing it to flip dangerously sideways. Neither the driver nor the people around had time to react when the car tilted and fell to the ground. This incident is a reminder of the dangers of moving wood and the importance of staying safe when working with heavy vehicles. A heart-stopping moment happened before the eyes of two young men. In the middle of a vast Forest Bateman's Komatsu 845 demonstrates its outstanding strength when transporting wood, demonstrating its incredible working ability. This is the machine of choice when handling heavy wood on rough terrain. With optimal design and impressive load capacity, Komatsu 845 easily conquers all challenges. Under the control of skilled operators, each log is moved quickly and safely, ready for the next stage of processing. The sight of a tractor crossing a river always makes people admire. Heavy, cumbersome tractors move slowly on makeshift rafts, crossing the rapids. Every time the wheel touched the rock, the entire machine shook violently. The cables were tight and squeaky, as if they were carrying an enormous weight. It was a war between the power of man and nature, and man won. This is a symbol of modern technology in the forestry industry. Tigercat 870D Feller Buncher by Chilton logging a steel monster in the green jungle. With its superior mechanical arm and 260 kilowatts diesel engine, it easily cuts down giant trees. The roar of the engine and sharp saw blades cutting through would create a majestic scene. Each cut of the Tigercat 870D decisively turns the tree into neat logs, ready for the next step. for an epic spectacle as the Barton 390 XPG house with its 36-inch saw bar and steel operator makes a half ball. Prepare for an epic spectacle as the Barton 390 XPG house with its 36-inch saw bar and steel operator makes a half ball. Prepare for an epic spectacle as the Barton 390 XPG house with its 36-inch saw bar and steel operator makes a half ball. Prepare for an epic spectacle as the Barton 390 XPG house with its 36-inch saw bar. Stihl MS500i chainsaw, a steel monster with an 8.7 horsepower motor and 67-inch saw bar, easily cuts through massive wood like butter. Sawdust flying in all directions, the smell of wood spreading, its power and effectiveness are beyond doubt. Installed on a truck, the Petzolato PTH 1200/820 wood chipper can be moved to any location to work. This is especially useful for wood collection and processing jobs in forests or remote areas. Taking advantage of the inherent energy from the 540 HP Volvo engine, the machine can crush all types of wood in large quantities. In addition, with a large wooden tank design, the machine can operate continuously for a long time without stopping to load raw materials. Wood tractor, a product from France, a special tool in the forestry industry. The logging process with Hygroton includes two main stages, felling trees and transporting them out of the forest. First, the tree is felled using specialized equipment mounted on the machine. Then, use your traction to pull newly felled trees out of the forest, overcoming complex terrain while also minimizing negative impacts on the environment. You won't believe your eyes when you see the gear splitter in action. With its special design and reduction drive system, this machine makes splitting firewood extremely easy and fast. In just a split second, stubborn logs are broken into perfect pieces, ready for use. David Hall's 1972 Kenworth is working hard pulling a three-piece load of wood. The weight of the heavy object forces the engine to operate at full capacity, creating a characteristic roar. The suspension and wheels are also under great pressure, causing the vehicle to move slower and more sluggish. Even after many years of use, the 1972 Kenworth still proves its durability and strength.
He makes that look so easy. Golly.
Are you looking for a powerful assistant to handle large volumes of firewood quickly? The Petzolato 2.0 Wood Crusher is the perfect solution for you. With an independent firewood splitting system, this machine will help you split stubborn logs into suitable firewood in the blink of an eye. You can completely rest assured about the quality and performance of Petzolato 2.0. This product is intelligently designed, operates stably, helping you save maximum time and effort. Compared to previous manual labor and rudimentary tools, the Yamaha Grizzly 700, steel and a trio of wood trailers help the logging job be completed much sooner. No more struggling to carry wood on your shoulder. Now just by controlling the ATV and chainsaw, you can get the job done quickly and easily. No more struggling to carry wood on your shoulder. Now just by controlling the ATV and chainsaw, you can get the job done quickly and easily. The pressure of loading a truck full of wood is done with this simple vehicle. Known for their durability and strength, Mack trucks are the top choice in the logging industry in conquering forest terrain. The safest way to cut trees is to invest in modern equipment. The safest way to cut trees is to invest in modern equipment. Pekin Stumptex has shown all its inherent working power. This stump crusher is like a steel monster. With its ferocious mechanical arm, it crushes every stubborn stump in the blink of an eye. The roar of the engine is the sound of flying wood chips. Create a scene full of power and authority. No tree can withstand the destructive power of Stumptex. Compared to other models, the Stihl MS8 81 160 cm is superior in terms of capacity and durability. Leave comment number 1 and don't miss the opportunity to own the best product. For trees that lean a lot, I like to cut and tie them. This is my preferred method for dealing with falling tree problems. That's insane. This is my behind me for dealing with. Instead of using too many hoes and shovels, wasting time and effort, I took advantage of my truck to do it. Can you guess the result? The driver recorded the tense moment when the truck almost dropped heavy cargo, threatening to crush him, but luckily no incident occurred. Join us on a journey to discover the traditional professions of the forestry industry with the Les View event, organized by the Les Hatados Association. This is a great opportunity for you to admire the old and still unchanged methods of wood exploitation and processing. Talented artisans use vintage tools and machinery, creating a fascinating and exciting spectacle, where the combination of tradition and modern technology creates a special power in the industry. Like the driver may have overdone it. With just one push of a button, Never HTZ 1200 Plus comes to life. With just one push of a button, Never HTZ 1200 Plus comes to life. The arm will surely grab the log and pull it out of the forest without hesitation. No matter how difficult the terrain, this machine will get the job done excellently. West Fraser LVL, a name too familiar to those working in the construction industry. Made from the best natural wood layers, combined with modern technology, West Fraser LVL has outstanding quality, high durability, and good bearing capacity. Best natural wood layers, combined with modern technology, West Fraser LVL has outstanding quality, high durability, and good bearing capacity. You can completely rest assured when using West Fraser LVL for all projects, from small houses to high-rise buildings. With West Fraser LVL, you will have a solid, durable, and safe structure. From small houses to high-rise buildings. With West Fraser LVL, you will have a solid, durable, and safe structure. Imagine the roaring sound of a chainsaw tearing through the air, along with the sound of wood being split into sharp pieces, as if the entire forest were shuddering from unstoppable force. Are you ready to feel the speed and power of these machines? Are you ready to feel the speed and power of these machines? The Comptech Chippo 8010C is a powerful mobile wood chipper designed to process wood with exceptional performance. Truck-mounted, it offers maximum flexibility, moving to any location that requires rapid wood processing. The advanced cutting system produces uniformly sized chips, ideal for recycling, biomass fuel production, and many other industrial applications. With its iconic chipping speed and ability to operate continuously in harsh conditions, the Chippo 8010C is a great helper for the forestry and large-scale with exciting industries and ability to operate continuously in harsh conditions. It not only increases productivity but also reduces resource waste, promoting sustainable development in the wood processing industry. It not only increases productivity but also reduces resource waste, promoting sustainable development in the wood processing industry. The LKT-80 rumbled through the deep forest, its tracks digging into the hard ground as it struggled to pull long, heavy logs out of the forest. The LKT-80 rumbled through the deep forest, its tracks digging into the hard ground as it struggled to pull long, heavy logs out of the forest. Cables stretched, the engine roared as it roared. Bit by bit, the logs were pulled out of the treacherous terrain. Cables stretched, the engine roared as it roared. In the wilderness, the tractor worked, clearing the way for the next haul. To move through this road is really not easy for any driver. With the weight of 100 blocks of wood loaded on the truck like this is really a challenge. The truck carrying would had an accident because of the muddy road. Oh no, it overturned. Poor unlucky driver. The truck carrying would had an accident because of the muddy road. Oh no, it overturned. Poor unlucky driver. The technique of cutting red heartwood, a precious wood species worth millions of dollars, requires precision to preserve value. The technique of After harvesting, the tree trunk is transported to the factory, cut into large blocks and put into a vertical saw to create evenly thin planks, keeping the natural wood grain intact. The tree trunk is transported to the factory, cut into large blocks and put into a vertical saw to create evenly thin planks, keeping the natural wood grain intact. Finally, the wood is surface treated and preserved to avoid warping and cracking. However, overexploitation has pushed this tree species into danger. Current conservation regulations are an effort to protect and remind people of their responsibility to nature. Current conservation regulations are an effort to protect and remind people of their responsibility to nature. The perfect combination of the Colmar 301 excavator and the MAN TGS 26.480 heavy-duty truck is an ideal pair in the forestry industry, especially in loading, unloading, and transporting wood. Colmar 301 with a powerful wood clamping system, durable diesel engine, and modern cabin helps quickly handle large blocks of wood. MAN TGS 26,480 truck with 480 horsepower engine and sturdy chassis ensures safe transportation on difficult terrain. 26,480 truck with 480 horsepower engine and sturdy chassis ensures safe transportation on difficult terrain. The saw blade roared, piercing the block of wood like a giant drill. Each cut is a deep wound, leaving behind new strips of wood. The saw blade roared, piercing the block of wood like a giant drill. Each cut is a deep wound, leaving behind. With the help of the slider, the saw blade moves decisively and accurately to the millimeter, turning rough wood blocks into smooth boards. With the help of the slider, the saw blade moves decisively and accurately to the millimeter, turning rough wood blocks. The feeling of power when controlling this machine is indescribable, like a war between humans and nature. The feeling of power when controlling this machine is indescribable, like a war between humans and nature. On the top of a mountain at an altitude of 7,500 feet, where the air is chokingly thin, the tree worker is like a lone warrior facing the challenge of life and death. At an altitude of 7,500 feet, where the air is chokingly thin, the tree worker is like a lone warrior facing the challenge of life and death. With the Jeffrey pine tree's outstanding height of more than 200 feet, each felling is a gamble, requiring absolute precision, because even a small mistake can lead to unpredictable consequences. More than 200 feet, each felling is a gamble, requiring absolute precision, because even a small mistake can lead to unpredictable consequences. When this giant pine tree fell, creating a sound that echoed throughout the mountains and forests, it was not only the sound of victory, but also a majestic symphony, marking the unity of human strength and the majestic beauty of nature. Not only the sound of victory, but also a majestic symphony, marking the unity of human strength and the majestic beauty of nature. Wow! You won't believe how this bulldozer removes trees. Bulldozer versus big tree, who wins? Wow! Wow! You won't believe how this bulldozer removes trees. Bulldozer versus big tree, who wins? Wow! Wow! You won't believe how this bulldozer. With hundreds of horsepower engines, solid terrain tracking systems and multi-purpose bulldozer blades, steel monsters like the Caterpillar D11 or Komatsu D375A can easily take down large tree trunks in just a few moves. Work. The process begins when the bulldozer pushes hard on the tree stump, loosening the roots that are firmly attached to the soil, then uses traction or a bulldozer blade to uproot the whole root. Pushes hard on the tree stump, loosening the roots that are firmly attached to the soil, then uses traction or a bulldozer blade to uproot the whole root. These moments not only demonstrate the remarkable power of modern technology but also create a dramatic performance. These moments not only demonstrate the remarkable power of modern technology but also create a dramatic performance. Have you ever seen a bulldozer pulling trucks or other large vehicles? Have you ever seen a bulldozer pulling trucks or other large vehicles? Have you ever seen a bulldozer pulling trucks or other large vehicles? Appearing in the middle of a bustling chipboard factory, Gens Hem A20DQ, a mechanical giant roars, devouring wood and tree branches, then turning them into a stream of valuable wood chips. Gens Hem A20DQ, a mechanical giant roars, devouring wood and tree branches, then turning them into a stream of valuable wood chips. From the tall and spacious cabin, the operator commands the steel monster with precision and skill. From the tall and spacious cabin, the operator commands the steel monster with precision and skill. This is the story of a machine that drove an industry, a clear testament to human ingenuity and the power of technology. This is the story of a machine that drove an industry, a clear testament to human ingenuity and the power of technology. This is the story of a Coming to this 600 horsepower Volvo FH16, combined with fan-built trailer and Epsilon frame, is performing a perfect display of power and refinement. This 600 horsepower Volvo FH16, combined with fan-built trailer and Epsilon frame, is performing a perfect display of power and refinement. The driver, like a wizard, controlled each piece of wood weighing several tons with the precision of a surgeon. The driver, like a wizard, controlled each piece of wood weighing several tons with the precision of a surgeon. This is not just work, but a 10-ton dance of heavy machinery, where every movement is perfectly choreographed, a master craftsman breathing life into steel and strength. But a 10-ton dance of heavy machinery, where every movement is perfectly choreographed, a master craftsman breathing life into steel and strength. Tractor Hacker Wood Terminator 12Z, wood chopping monster, unmatched power is a wood chipping machine attached to a tractor. The Wood Terminator 12Z is designed to conquer the biggest challenges in the woodworking industry. Unmatched power is a wood chipping machine attached to a tractor. The Wood Terminator 12Z is designed to conquer the biggest challenges in the woodworking industry. With the ability to swallow tree trunks with a diameter of up to 90 centimeters of softwood and 75 centimeters of hardwood, the machine crushes all types of wood in the blink of an eye, producing up to 300 cubic meters of high-quality wood chips per hour. The machine crushes all types of wood in the blink of an eye, producing up to 300 cubic meters of high-quality wood chips per hour. In the battle between David and Goliath, a 25-ton excavator with 200 horsepower confronted giant oak trees up to 1.5 meters in diameter and more than 30 meters high. A 25-ton excavator with 200 horsepower confronted giant oak trees up to 1.5 meters in diameter and more than 30 meters high. With its outstanding capabilities, the excavator easily felled large oak trees, proving its power in clearing large areas and handling heavy work, bringing incredible efficiency to projects. The excavator easily harvesting and processing trees, power in clearing large areas and handling heavy work, bringing incredible efficiency to projects. Harvesting and processing trees. Loading large logs onto trucks is not an easy task, but with the help of modern machinery, everything becomes easy. Loading large logs onto trucks is not an easy task, but with the help of modern machinery, everything becomes easy. The sturdy logging truck with a capacity of 400 horsepower is as steady as a warrior, easily pulling logs weighing up to 2 tons onto the truck floor quickly and safely. Logging truck with a capacity of 400 horsepower is as steady as a warrior, easily pulling logs weighing up to 2 tons onto the truck floor quickly and safely. The engine combined with a 150-bar hydraulic system and absolute precision in every pull makes work smoother and more productive than ever. The engine combined with a 150-bar hydraulic system and absolute precision in every pull makes work smoother and more productive than ever.
Okay, sudah siap guys.
Paul stood silently, his eyes following every movement of the lever as he pulled with all his might. Paul stood silently, his eyes following every movement of the lever as he pulled with all his might. A crack sound rang out, then the tree stump began to move, slowly lifting off the ground. A crack sound rang out, then the tree stump began to move, slowly lifting off the ground. Feeling like a burden had been released, he smiled happily when he saw the whole tree reaching up to the sky, like a small victory in life. Feeling like a burden had been released, he smiled happily when he saw the whole tree reaching up to the sky, like a small victory in life. Peasant PTH 1200, like a giant beast, devours large logs and turns them into wood chips in an instant. Peasant PTH 1200, like a giant beast, devours large logs and turns them into wood chips in an instant. With a capacity of 1,000 horsepower, you can't help but be amazed at its ability to handle huge workloads without any effort. With a capacity of 1,000 horsepower, you can't help but be amazed at its ability to handle huge workloads without any effort. Watching it operate, it feels like witnessing pure industrial magic, where power and technology blend to create miracles that you can't take your eyes off of. Watching it operate, it feels like witnessing pure industrial magic, where power and technology blend to create miracles that you can't take your eyes off of. Watching it operate, it feels like witnessing pure industrial magic, where power and technology blend to create miracles that you can't take your eyes off of. Watching it operate. Monkey King and Coconut Tree, a perfect couple? Monkey King and Coconut Tree. So what about other tree species? Are they attractive enough to attract the king of the jungle? So what about other tree species? Are they attractive enough to attract the king of the jungle? Oh no! It was unbelievable when the truck that was rushing downhill at breakneck speed suddenly lost control and flipped over right in the middle of the road. It was unbelievable when the truck that was rushing downhill at breakneck speed suddenly lost control and flipped over right in the middle of the road. What a surprising scene! The wheels tilted, and the goods inside jostled chaotically, creating a breathless moment for onlookers. What a surprising scene! The wheels tilted, and the goods inside jostled chaotically, creating a breathless moment for onlookers. Everyone watched with worried eyes, not knowing what would happen next. Everyone watched with worried eyes, not knowing what would happen next. In this video, I want to show the difficulties that timber truck drivers face in harsh conditions. In this video, I want to show the difficulties. The mining area is 25 kilometers away and takes 4 to 5 hours to travel there and back. The mining area is 25 kilometers away. The Ural car, although powerful, still encountered many obstacles on the muddy road. The Ural car, although powerful, still encountered many obstacles on the muddy road. The helplessness of struggling on slippery slopes highlights the tireless efforts of drivers in this arduous job. The helplessness of struggling on slippery slopes highlights the tireless efforts of drivers in this arduous job. DAF CF85, a heavily loaded timber truck, was stuck in the middle of the slope, unable to move. But with the power of the bulldozer, the truck was pulled up little by little, rising up the slope like an unyielding warrior. TT-4, the legendary machine from the Soviet Union, with unbelievable power and durability, pulled a 40-ton forest truck through a forest road covered with white snow. The giant wheels dug deep into the thick layer of snow, each roaring engine echoing the silence of the winter forest. It seems that nothing can stop it as it overcomes all the harsh challenges of the snowy road, bringing goods to its destination impressively and powerfully. This combination creates a highly efficient system, helping to reduce time and costs during the forest exploitation process, especially during the first forest thinning phase to create better conditions for the forest to grow. In 2012, Herder and Chance wrote a new chapter for the forestry industry. With the modern wood chipper, Heinola 1310, they have made wood chipping faster than ever. Each cut they make is not just work, but also a work of art, turning rudimentary wood trunks into perfect products. It is a great combination of tradition and modernity, between human strength and machine intelligence. Logging in Western Oregon is a job that requires human strength and modern technology. On moss-covered hillsides, loggers work tirelessly to harvest precious Douglas fir trees. Despite working hard, they are always aware of the importance of environmental protection and sustainable development. August 16, 2019, in Austria, the work of transporting wood from forests to transport trucks is increasingly simplified thanks to the application of a new method using pulleys. Own the Fekin VHP 270 Power Pack and VH80 EXC Excavator Mulcher Duo now to optimize your working performance. Don't hesitate, this is the reliable solution for all land clearing and clearance projects. It's funny how not to cut down trees. Discover the remarkable power of the world's fastest whole tree harvester, where speed and performance meet, bringing about a revolution in the forestry industry. What makes them the ultimate transporter? The Timber Pro Mover is the only mover on the market that uses 360-degree rotation, allowing the operator to always face his job, but more importantly allowing the operator to work on all sides of the machine. Combine this versatility with a versatile crane with a 338 horsepower engine combined with a large carrying capacity and impressive drive system, and you have the ultimate transporter. Mechanical wood splitters, especially electric wood splitters, are very convenient. You just need to plug it in, adjust the thickness of the wood to be split, then insert the log. With just a small explosion, the log will be easily split in half. However, when using the machine, remember to wear protective gloves and stand in a safe location. Our NDC Firewood Processor, a product of Y Ronisto Oy, offers a perfect solution for firewood preparation. With smart design and modern technology, the machine can easily turn large logs into compact, uniform firewood. Thanks to that, users save time and effort, while ensuring the quality of firewood.
In the heart of the world's most popular engineers,
Our MEC Firewood Processor is the top choice for households, manufacturing facilities, and businesses using biomass energy.
just sheer steel, uncertain
Husqvarna 572 XP. This is a real monster in the chainsaw world. With incredible strength and durability, it is ready to face any challenge. Each cut of 572 XP is powerful and precise, causing even the largest trees to yield. If you are looking for a reliable chainsaw to conquer the wild forests, then the 572 XP is the perfect choice. Can you imagine a giant woodsaw operating with incredible speed?
Don't mess with that. Don't do that.
This is a sign of unsuccessful wood sawing. Extraordinary power. Watching them use the chainsaw with the sophistication and virtuosity Southern yellow pine is known for its beautiful grain and durability, but is also very hard. Easily conquers the hardest wood, bringing a feeling of control and precision. Sawing a 29-inch board from this wood requires a high level of skill. Without fatigue. This video proves that with the right skills and the perfect tools, anything can become a masterpiece. The worker must really understand the characteristics of wood to be able to process it effectively, avoiding cracks or broken boards. If you find the video interesting, please like and subscribe to the channel to follow the next videos. In the vast forests of Sweden can't do it. The Hybro 755. Imagine you are standing in the middle of a lush green forest. Suddenly, a giant helicopter appeared in the sky. 5 centimeters thick.